Hello and welcome to another update video on Link. Yeah, I just wanted to take a moment here on the 1 hour time frame to explain the structure again. I mean, it hasn't changed, but I have adjusted the support levels as we have to do it with the price going higher. But we are still in the third wave, which is great. Great to see some strength finally come in, because until yesterday, Link was a little weak. It was a little weak, but it's now reached my first ideal target that I mentioned yesterday. That was around $18. And now we're pretty much nearly there, or still there, but the price already, reached $19. And so I'm still tracking this active uptrend as long as the support levels are holding. And at some point, if we get 5 waves up, we can add support for wave 2, but we're not there yet. We are still tracking a direct uptrend from the 22nd of June low. And the target area above there, above for wave 5 will need to be adjusted as long as wave 3 is still unfolding, because as I explained to you in previous updates, the higher the third wave goes naturally, the wave 5 should also eventually go higher. So that's why we just, we just go with the flow. We adjust support. They're like trailing stops, and we continue to go with the trend and track for a potential 5 wave move. The third wave seems to be extending, which is absolutely expected and common, yeah. So what we have on this chart is a 5 wave move in the wave 1 of 1, a wave 2 pullback. Third wave might be unfolding right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In wave 3, yeah. And the third wave itself, again, is a 5 wave move. So as you can probably see on the chart, it seems like that we're currently moving up in the 5th wave of the third wave, actually. So if I zoom in a little bit, you'll see that. Moving up in the 5th wave of the third wave. And this 5th wave started on Tuesday. Like many other altcoins, formed a local low kind of after the weekend. Yeah, that weekend was a wave 4 weekend. Not uncommon. And now we seem to be in that 5th wave. So the 5th wave itself should be 5 waves. And I can already identify 5. So I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we might have topped already. But again, I need some evidence, okay? So the question is always, when do we know that a top is in? And I always say, you never really know. Well, at some point you will know, but for now, it's basically too early to really fully confirm it. So I want to keep the door open for maybe one more final push towards $19.59 to $20.64, because we're currently holding above micro support. We're currently holding above the 50% retracement level there at $17.92. So this move up from the Thursday low, as long as we're holding above the 50% FIB level, there's no sign of a substantial top. So still tracking here a direct move up, and I can see in the microstructures the potential for maybe one more high. Now, only if we break below $17.93, we can track this larger degree support area. It's between $15.62 and $17.40. So this would be support for a 4th wave, and then we can still track higher prices. Just the question is, when do we have a, let's say, local top? And that local top is only confirmed with a decisive break below $17.92. That's the update on Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates and discussions. So check it out. The link is in the description. I also link it in the comments section. Definitely important to stay informed in the current situation here. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.